Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph Cifra, isang visual artist from Manila, Philippines. And today we are going to unbox and review the SH Figuarts Super Saiyan Vegeta Awakened Super Saiyan Blood. Yan, so ito yung packaging niya. So ito yung window niya. Tapos here's the shot of the action figure na nakabukas yung kanyang palm. Tamashii Nations na sticker. Warning Bandai logo, Tamashii Nations logo, Dragon Ball Z logo, and Toei Animation sticker. And sa likod, you have the shots of the action figure, different poses, and here we are. Yan. This is Vegeta out of the packaging. 6 inches tall to si Vegeta from the bottom of the feet hanggang sa tip ng kanyang hair. The action figure feels very solid. Wala namang mga loose na joints, and also super nice na mga colors niya. So you have the blue plastic, tapos meron siyang brown, light brown din dito sa kanyang vest. Tapos yung brown din yung kanyang strap, and then you have the white armor plate sa chest and sa stomach. Meron din siyang off-white na gloves and sa boots. So yun yung color scheme niya. Ang ganda ng kanyang hair din dito. Very metallic yellow yung very metallic pale yellow yung paint na ginamit din dito sa hair. And also sa mga accessories, you have the shouting face. Okay, ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong accessory, yung naka-cross arms yung both arms. So tatanggalin natin to mamaya. Tapos itatry natin tong naka-crossed arms na pose. Tapos for alternate faces, so you have the smirk na face and you have the shouting face. Tapos marami siyang hands. Marami siyang alt hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 alt hands. Try natin palitan yung face. If you want to change the face, lagay nyo lang yung kamay nyo dito sa kanyang front part ng kanyang hair. So top part. Tapos palitan na natin. Okay? So let's use the shouting face. Okay? Alright, nice. Tapos sa hands naman, ganun lang din. Pupull nyo lang to and mapapalitan nyo na yung kamay. Alright, for articulation, you can rotate the head up, down, 360. Medyo matalas lang tong kanyang tip ng hair. Kaya kung papalaro nyo sa kids, baka ingatan nyo lang kasi baka matusok sila. Very dangerous kasi matalas. Okay, tapos yung kanyang neck, may movement din yung kanyang neck eh. Okay, meron ding, may movement din siya. Okay, you can tilt. Okay, tapos yung kanyang elbows can, the arms can rotate 360, elbow swivel, elbow double jointed, tapos you can stretch yung kanyang waist part, tapos you can do the ab crunch. Meron ding rotation dito sa upper part ng kanyang chest, lower part ng kanyang waist. Tapos you can kick that far, back that far, double jointed knee, and ball jointed yung paa. Okay, try natin tong cross arms na pose. This is very cool. Ngayon lang ako nakita ng ganitong accessory. Right, medyo challenging lang yung pagkabit pero ingatan nyo na lang kung medyo na-extend na yung mga joints kasi baka mamaya matodo nyo yung degree of movement, baka mabali yung joint. So ingatan nyo na lang kapag ilalagay nyo yung crossed arms na accessory. But this looks very nice. Si Vegeta nakaka cross arms pose na, and overall this is a very nice action figure from SH Figuarts. So if you're into Dragon Ball Z and you want some Vegeta action figures, this is very much recommended sa mga Dragon Ball Z fans and collectors din. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.